Today on the Samurai, the project is to replace the two-piece removable hardtop. I'd like to upgrade this to a better top. This top, it works fine, actually has quite good visibility and it's quite nice and lightweight, but it has a lot of wind noise and is quite drafty. So when it's minus 20 out, this top is actually still relatively cold and is noisy on the highway. So this is what I bought to replace it. It's a brand new Rally Tops. It's a one-piece removable hardtop. It was made in California and shipped up to me in Canada, and overall looks pretty good, so I'm looking forward to getting it on. Removing the old hardtop was really easy. As you expect, just a few clips and a couple bolts and it all came off. I'm also looking forward to driving the Samurai around as a convertible when the weather stays consistently nice this summer. Installation was really easy. The hardtop did come with instructions, but basically everything is what you'd expect. Lift it in place, and then there's a few brackets to fasten it to the Samurai. On the inside at the front, there's two of these adjustable latches, so they latch it on the front. On the back, in the back corner here, there's these hex bolts that attach to a mounting bracket that's screwed onto the back of the Samurai there. And then on the front, the kit that came with the factory, they had these smaller hex bolts that go down into a factory threaded bolt here. So I decided not to do that because it was just kind of annoying to get that lined up. And actually on my Samurai, only one side was factory threaded, the other side wasn't for whatever reason. So I decided not to go with that. Instead, I got these just aluminum C-clamps, and I got them on eBay, and they're cheap, I think less than 10 bucks. But they look pretty good. And I think they're going to be plenty strong just to hold it in place. Like, it's clamped in the front, bolted in the back, and this is just in the middle to keep it secure. So with these kind of just knurled top, it's plenty tight. So I'm going to put that on each side. So I'll trim the panel down, but basically this clamp is just going to fit in here. And just provide another point of fixation to secure it. I think that'll be pretty good. I'll trim this panel down, and that's it. So that way the roof comes off pretty easily, on and off. When it's sunny, I plan to have it off. When it's cold and snowy, I plan to have it on. So I just trimmed this down. That's good enough for now. I'm probably taking this whole panel out anyway because I do have speakers I'd like to put in. The speaker probably will mount somewhere down here. So anyway, I'll deal with that later. For now, that's tight, that's secure, and the roof is done. One complaint I have is the headliner. So it's nice that it has a headliner, but even brand new, it's starting to sag. In the front here, I actually just had this, it was sagging down, I just pressed it up. In the back, you can see it sagging down. That's pretty disappointing for a brand new top. Now, I suspect that they have some glue sprayed on there, and hopefully it stays up, but I think there's a pretty good chance that this will all sag down, and I'll have to re-glue it at some point. So the top has been installed for about a week and a half. Overall, I'm very happy with it. As you can see, the company I bought it from is Rally Tops. Overall, I'd say their customer service was actually really good. Communication was really good, the shipping was easy, The price of the shipping was very reasonable. I have nothing but good things to say about their customer service. I was quite pleased with that. One of the main reasons I wanted to replace the top is I wanted decreased wind noise and just a bit more comfortable while driving. And this certainly is. There's way less squeaks. Well, there's no squeaks right now. The wind noise is dramatically reduced. So it's helped quite a lot in just improving the comfort of driving, especially on the highway. Right now it's nice and warm out, but when it's cold again, like in the winter, I expect that I'll like this top even more then. I bet it'll be easier to heat and less drafty and just much nicer. So as an upgrade, I think this is actually a pretty good upgrade for the Samurai. I like the roof. I like that I can take it on and off pretty easy. When I have it on, it definitely improves the driving experience for the Samurai. In the cold, I think it'll be even better. So that's it for the roof upgrade. Thanks for watching. For the Samurai, the next projects I have coming up is I have a full roll cage. I'll put that on at some point. And the next Samurai project will be putting this on. This is a Schrockworks fabricated bumper, and I have a worn winch to go with it. That'll be next. Thanks for watching.